Bruce here, down by the lake. Before we get into the video, take a couple seconds and appreciate. I'm deep in the forest today. In the background, you can hear a nice rushing water. Deep in the forest, miles and miles and miles away from anybody. So, take a minute, and then we're going to field test this SW22 Victory. Alright, that's enough of the listening. If you want more of that, I'll have another video of that. Right now, we got to get to testing. Stop wasting time. Now, the previous video did work on the safe. Everywhere's a safe direction. Nobody's for miles and miles. Okay, we worked on this safety. Hear it? Sounding good now. Before, it was just loose. You really couldn't tell it was hitting. Alright, because the trouble is, every time I'd pull the trigger, bang, 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 the safety would go back up. Slight recoil, and up it would come. Then I have to push it back down. Shoot, up it would come. Alright, let's test. See if that job took a hold. Just like forged in fire, it doesn't matter what the target does to my gun, it's what my gun does to the target. That's backwards. Whatever. Okay, here we go. Off wide. I just need the bank. I don't need the target. Let's just see what it does. Will the safety stay off or on? Ready? Let me downplay the sensitivity of the mic. Now the mic will kick off once it hits a loud noise. Take a few seconds to reset. Bear with it. Ready? Let's do it. Nope. Two-handed grip. How we doing so far? Hey. All right, one more mag. It may have actually worked. Let's see. You in the picture? Good. Son of a gun. It worked! It worked! You believe this horse? It worked! It worked! It worked! Yeah! Alright. Drink more shine and eat more bacon.